One of the selling features of this RV was the fact that it was actually a name brand mattress. It's a Serta. I can see it through the mattress cover. I had to double check. But that was a selling feature. Unfortunately, it's not the top of the line Serta. I've heard an awful lot of stories about how RV mattresses are not very comfortable. They're true. See, it's a Serta mattress. But again, not the best quality Serta. We bought a mattress topper. This is something that we got on Amazon. We'll leave a link in the description here. Bedstory is the make. It's a 2-inch bamboo charcoal and gel memory foam topper. Now, it doesn't look like this box will contain a queen size mattress topper. Apparently it's squished down pretty good. We're going to see what happens. Right now we got a mattress pad on the mattress. I'm going to take that off and put the topper on top of the mattress and then put the mattress pad back on. Before I can do anything, I want to make sure that this is ready to go and the mattress pad is off, because when this expands, it's going to be very hard to manage. So, let's get going on it. So right now it's got no air in it. It will expand. It takes about 24 hours and it will be the full size that it's supposed to be. Now, I've been told that these do come out fairly quick and they do start to increase in size right away. So I'm going to try and figure out as fast as I can which way this is actually going to go on.
So it looks like you open up the plastic and then unfold it?
Yeah.
Too bad they didn't do it the other way so that you could just, I don't know, unfold it, but there it's like the cloth part is on top. Well, have fun with that.
God help me. Nope. It's this way. It's definitely this way.
It's got the elastics around the corner.
Yeah.
Make sure you say something about those because that's handy.
Now you notice these have elastics that are going to go around the corner. That is a fantastic feature because that way it's going to help hold it on. Oops. Do not remove.
Alan, that's not bad. I've seen other ones where they have a heck of a time with them.
Yeah.
It's not like it's under pressure,
No, it's not too bad.
the way they did it.
This is filling up pretty quick. It's almost at the 2-inch mark, and it wasn't that difficult to deal with. Those straps are really handy, but I'm starting to question whether our RV mattress was actually a real queen and not an RV queen, because this is bigger than the mattress.
Can we fold it down to the top so it doesn't hang over the... Oh no, that'll be okay. It'll just hang over the end of it.
Yeah. Almost there. It's expanded really quick. It's almost at the fully expanded part here. So all that's left for me to do is put the mattress cover back on, and then make the bed. Before I do that, I'm going to test it out and see if it's nice and comfortable. So here goes everything. Okay, back to work. Okay, I'm going to put the mattress cover back on. Now I've got two mattress covers. This one here is going to completely cover the mattress. It's zippered, and this is so that if any moisture gets in, the mattress isn't going to get ruined. I've heard tale of people losing their mattress because a little bit of moisture got in underneath and they wound up getting mold. Once I put this one on, there's another mattress pad that we put on, which is cloth, and it's going to be more comfortable and it will stop sweat from getting through.
I like watching them make beds. I love it. You're getting really good at this. Wrong way.
Son of a... So the vinyl mattress cover, this is the one that zippers all the way around, stops any moisture from getting into the mattress. This one here, it's still got a little bit of room in it, but not near as much as it did. So that tells me that we've got an awful lot more thickness there than before. This protects the mattress, but it is vinyl, so it becomes very uncomfortable during the night. This one here, this is a quilted topper. This is going to stop us from sweating because of the vinyl. It makes it just a little bit more comfortable. There you have it. The bed is ready to go. It's all made. The topper is on here. It already feels fantastic, and it's only been about 25 minutes since I took it out of the package. It's expanded an awful lot. So we're going to try it out for a few times, see what we think of it, and we'll let you know. It had great reviews. I've already mentioned we're going to leave a link. And before this video comes up, we're going to let you know if we really like it or not. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk real soon.
Seriously, Alan? I'm outside working my butt off and you're in here sleeping.
I was working hard.
You've just seen us installing the Bedstory mattress topper. It's a queen size mattress topper for our RV. We purchased this for $159.99 from Amazon, Canadian. Now I'll put a link below, you can check it out if you like. Now the reason that we purchased this is because we thought our mattress would be fine because it's a Serta, and we thought great because I have back problems and I spend a lot of money on good quality mattresses at home. Well, I spent one weekend and I was down for a week. My back hurt like you wouldn't believe. So we've tried it out for the season, and once it was installed, it was fine. I'm not going to go spending $2,000-3,000 on a mattress anymore for home. I'm just going to buy this bed topper. And I got a good quality night's sleep.
I was actually really impressed with how comfortable it was. Once we put the topper on, I got a great night's sleep as well. I was really expecting it to do very little, but I was quite impressed. So you saw the video on the mattress topper. You saw that it was really easy to install. I had a little bit of fun installing it. I had a little bit of fun doing the video. But I've got to say, I was very impressed with the installation. Super easy. No problems whatsoever. I was expecting there to be issues when the mattress started to expand. There really wasn't. It was still very easy to install.
And it didn't really have any off-gassing afterwards. I didn't notice anything.
I didn't notice any at all. You said there was a little bit of a smell at the start, but you said it went away quickly. I didn't notice anything at all. So it wasn't an issue.
We really hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.